You're right on God's clock. Plan midnight. Let's go.
It's dark outside and I'm wide awake. Clocks hit 12, heart starts to ache. But I remember what the word once said: new mercy starts when the day is dead. Yeah, it's midnight, but I ain't scared. My God don't sleep, He's always there. He speaks to silence, moves unseen. He builds my future while I dream. God starts His day when mine feels done. In the quiet storm